What's the meaning of arrack? Arrack. Arrack.
Arrack. Arrack. Arrack is a term used to describe a type of alcoholic beverage that is traditionally produced in South and Southeast Asia. It is typically distilled from fermented fruit, grain, or sugarcane, and is characterized by its high alcohol content and distinctive flavor profile. Arrack is often consumed neat or as a mixer in cocktails, particularly in the traditional drink known as a arrack punch. Due to the regional nature of its production, the flavor and characteristics of arrack can vary widely depending on where it is produced and the specific ingredients used.